Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Huawei Device to Huawei Nova 11 Pro. Begin by opening App Gallery on both devices and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to set it up to exactly the same on both smartphones, begin by tapping on I accept, then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the second one, I agree, Confirm, Continue, Allow. Over here, click on Send at the bottom left corner of this Huawei device and receive right next to Send at the bottom of 11 Pro. Also on Nova 11 Pro, tap on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to Huawei smartphone. Now, thanks to all of those categories located at the top, you can choose all of your files that you wish to send. Then select Send next to Selected at the bottom in order to continue. I will go with this one photo. Now select Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you wish to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on Nova 11 Pro. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you wish to connect thanks to this key though, tap on Input key section, type in all of those numbers before they expire, and then select Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!